Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add text to your video on the Videoleap application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and click on this plus icon down below, and after that select the video that you would like to edit and click on the add to project button down below. Select the editing mode and click on continue. After that tap on the text button on the left side of the screen. After that tap on this box at the top, double tap to edit, and after that you will be able to type in your text. Type it in and click on the check mark icon next to it. You can click on the font option down below to select the font. As you go back, you can add animation to your text. And you can position it within the screen. You can also change the color of it. You can set its opacity, blend it, and also mask it. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.